Question 1. Who is the current President of India? A. Jagdeep Dhankar. B. Draupadi Murmu. C. Ram Nath Kovind. D. Rajnath Singh. Correct answer option B. Draupadi Murmu. Question 2. Who is the Prime Minister of India? A. Amit Shah. B. Rajnath Singh. C. Narendra Modi. D. Manmohan Singh. Correct answer option C. Narendra Modi. Question 3. Who is the Vice President of India? A. Draupadi Murmu. B. Jagdeep Dhankar. C. Nirmala Sitharaman. D. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Correct answer option D. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Question 4. Who is the Home Minister of India? A. Subramanian Jaishankar. B. Amit Shah. C. Rajnath Singh. D. Nirmala Sitharaman. Correct answer option B. Amit Shah. Question 5. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Kolkata. D. Bengaluru. Correct answer option B. Delhi. Question 6. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer option D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 7. Who is known as the father of the nation? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 8. Which is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Elephant. D. Panda. Correct answer option B. Tiger. Question 9. What is the national flower of India? A. Lotus. B. Rose. C. Sunflower. D. Marigold. Correct answer option A. Lotus. Question 10. Which is the longest river of India? A. Brahmaputra. B. Godavari. C. Ganga. D. Yamuna. Correct answer option C. Ganga. Question 11. Which is the smallest state of India? A. Sikkim. B. Goa. C. Telangana. D. Tripura. Correct answer option B. Goa. Question 12. What is the national fruit of India? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Mango. D. Orange. Correct answer option C. Mango. Question 13. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? A. Assam. B. Bihar. C. Punjab. D. Gujarat. Correct answer option C. Punjab. Question 14. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? A. Kolkata. B. Bengaluru. C. Hyderabad. D. Lucknow. Correct answer option B. Bengaluru. Question 15. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. APJ Abdul Kalam. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. D. Narendra Modi. Correct answer option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 16. Which state in India is famous for tea gardens? A. West Bengal. B. Assam. C. Karnataka. D. Sikkim. Correct answer option B. Assam. Question 17. What is the name of India's space agency? A. ISRO. B. NASA. C. ISA. D. NOSA. Correct answer option A. ISRO. Question 18. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? A. Kerala. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Assam. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer option A, Kerala. Question 19. Who was the first Vice President of India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. C. Zakir Hussain. D. V.V. Giri. Correct answer option B, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Question 20. What is the national vegetable of India? A. Potato. B. Brinjal. C. Pumpkin. D. Cabbage. Correct answer option C, pumpkin. Quiz challenge for you. Who is the Defense Minister of India? A. Rajnath Singh. B. Nirmala Sitharaman. C. Piyush Goyal. D. Amit Shah. Comment down your answer and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Question 21. What is the national sports of India? A. Football. B. Cricket. C. Hockey. D. Kabaddi. Correct answer option C, hockey. Question 22. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Correct answer option D, Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Question 23. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Mars. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. D. Mercury. Correct answer option C, Jupiter. Question 24. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Correct answer option B, Pacific Ocean. Question 25. Which is the largest continent in the world? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. Australia. Correct answer option A, Asia. Question 26. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. India. B. Brazil. C. China. D. Japan. Correct answer option D, Japan. Question 27. Which planet is called the morning star or evening star? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. Correct answer option B, Venus. Question 28. Which of the following is known as laughing gas? A. Hydrogen. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Nitrous oxide. D. Helium. Correct answer option C, nitrous oxide. Question 29. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Bachendri Pal. B. Arunima Sinha. C. Santosh Yadav. D. Premlata Agrawal. Correct answer option A, Bachendri Pal. Question 30. In which year did the first train start in India? A. 1845. B. 1853. C. 1857. D. 1865. Correct answer option B, 1853. Question 31. National anthem of India was originally composed in which language? A. Hindi. B. Bangla. C. Sanskrit. D. Urdu. Correct answer option B, Bangla. Question 32. Who was the second Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. C. Rajiv Gandhi. D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Correct answer option B, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question 33. Who started Quit India movement in 1942? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Bhagat Singh. Correct answer option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Question 34. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? A. Neeraj Chopra. B. P.T. Usha. C. Milkha Singh. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Correct answer option C. Milkha Singh. Question 35. How many countries share land boundaries with India? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Correct answer option C. 7. Question 36. In which continent is the Sahara Desert located? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. Australia. Correct answer option A. Africa. Question 37. Which country has the most islands in the world? A. Finland. B. Canada. C. Norway. D. Sweden. Correct answer option D. Sweden. Question 38. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. San Marino. B. Philippines. C. Vietnam. D. Vatican City. Correct answer option D. Vatican City. Question 39. Which city is called the Manchester of India? A. Hyderabad. B. Ahmedabad. C. Delhi. D. Kochi. Correct answer option B. Ahmedabad. Question 40. When was Bihar separated from Bengal? A. 1912. B. 1919. C. 1926. D. 1935. Correct answer option A. 1912. Quiz challenge for you. Which is the tallest statue in the world? A. Statue of Unity. B. Statue of Liberty. C. Spring Temple Buddha. D. Great Buddha of Thailand. Comment down your answer and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.